Yeah, welcome to another video. We're doing pork because I am getting tired of being slain by bots and dudes in the Commonwealth. Oh, no. Whoa! Shut up, man. That is my dog, by the way. Human. Maybe. Why am I singing? Also, they said it was a downward spiral. Yes, indeed, the downward spiral. Oh my gosh! Why is your shotgun so long? Your shotgun does not need to be. Your shotgun is so long to the point that your hand is facing to the stock. Both of our hands are facing to the stock. Is that a red dot on a shotgun? Take your back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's AFK. Oh my gosh. Now lam up. Lam up. Lam up. Leave. Finally. Because you think please let me get it. Please let me get it. Please. Oh my gosh. Yay. You should have never came here, bro. Are they camping sewers? They probably are. I mean, are you ingesting like where did the model go? And the Super Mario, of course, it's something worthless. What? Opens in 4 minutes. Stop camping sewers, please. But it's no use. They don't know you're here, but they know that I'm here. So together, they're there. Probably still camping though. Should never use slows. This is causing me pain. What are you doing? Check. Okay, coverage responding. Great. That's just great, you know. Oh my gosh. And they give me a purple item. The most covert infested spots. Watch them give me another purple. See what I mean? See what? A goal? I don't know. Oh, wait, there's a backpack. Oh. Particular black cavern. Oh shit, it's coming. Thanks for bringing the backpack. Oh shit. You can look from that. I have to defend like 6 corners of this thing. Let me loot it. Where's open? It's 5 minutes. Alright, all we have to do, player. P121. All we have to do is just defend this. Defend this area for like 60 seconds probably. No, 5 minutes. There's 5 minutes of defending. We're gonna die to cowards, bro, I swear. This is the most unwholesome death in the army at this point. You love me. That's a type of. Don't look at me. Stop looking at me, look at yourself. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think somebody's sniping. Yeah. You made a lot of noise. We're gonna die here. Jimmy. Oh my gosh, I bothered me. Jimmy! Stop. I did not do anything to you or your family. Leave me alone. Oh my gosh. I just see his body fold in half in front of me. What? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. There's someone sniping everything. Oh no, man. I'm gonna die here. Requirements, dog thing. I don't even think we're making it through 10 minutes, bro. We're gonna die here. We're just gonna die, bro. If the game gives me a secret document, die here for your shenanigans. It gave me an iPad. I can't even put anything in the button pocket, dude. This is just pathetic. I can't even do anything. How much are you? 5k? 220. Okay. Where's the supplies here? Supplies here. Bitch. What the fuck are you shooting at? Was that a cover? I'm pretty sure it was. Let me just see. Yeah, that's definitely. No, that's not cover. Oh, what's here? There's. I'm gonna be kind. What level are you, by the way? Sewer activates in 2 minutes, and in those 2 minutes we're gonna die. Because I'm pretty sure somebody's camping sewers. See, where is he? Oh yeah, this is where I reenacted the Simo Haiha thing. I actually found a lot of good stuff in that video, not gonna lie. I think somebody already did this. Give me a power drill. Manifesting power drill. Okay, never mind. Never mind. The game said no twice, guys. They just violate my. Ooh, sorry. Looky here. Oh my gosh. What kind of storage crate? Oh my gosh. What kind of storage crate has 32 rounds of HS? You are not cool if you have 32 rounds of HS. Can I make you lose? Okay, everybody in the match is right there. Okay, we're gonna die. That somebody is chasing us. He isn't quite. Whoa, what they? Alright, ready. Wait lang! Ah! Oh wait, they have backpacks right there. Oh my gosh, why do you keep taking backpacks? Oh, never mind, I'm leaving. Well, no shit, I almost got my head blown off. I am not going with you, bro. You good? You good? He definitely not going. Did they just bark? Where did that shiny come from? When in doubt, Jigo. I do not know what I'm doing. Help me! Help me, please. Oh my. He just died. I'm definitely gonna die. I might actually just quit this game. Not gonna lie, I might actually just quit. Don't even threaten. I might just quit this game. No, I'm done. Because this game is giving me brain tumor after brain tumor after brain tumor. I can't handle it. I barely have enough supplies that I can actually use, by the way. I don't care anymore. I'm gonna boom shakalaka. I don't wanna live anymore, bro. What is this?